Your awareness is not in the past. And you are not your busy thoughts. Feel the space opening up where that tightness used to be. And feel your mind resting and becoming a clear, still lake at midnight. Smooth, quiet, and perfectly calm. Every breath is a clean state. Take a deep inhale through your nose and a long exhale through your mouth. Notice how much lighter you feel. The silence of the void cover you now like a heavy, warm, velvet blanket. There is nothing left for you to solve. There is nothing left to hold on to. Transition now into the deep, restorative sleep. If your mind wanders away, bring it back to your breath, or to my voice, or to the music. Gently start to bring your attention back. Your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep inhale again, and a long exhale. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you feel restful. Namaste.